Hello everyone, this is David. Today I will introduce the control screen of the machine and show you how to operate it. At first, we can plug the power cable and turn on the machine. After turning on machine, it asks if go to machine orange. Before that, we need to find the 3 mm screwdriver and remove the cap driver from machine. You can say the cap driver was fixed by these two screws here, so we can lose these two screws and remove the cap driver from machine. There is another arrow information behind of the window. It is emergency stop, so we need to turn the emergency button because the emergency button was crushed during shipping, so we need to release it. And then we can click the yes button to make machine go to orange because we had already removed the cap driver from machine, so we can click yes here. If you didn't remove the cap driver from machine, you need to remove the cap driver and then click yes to make machine go to orange. And this one we can click no. You can see there is already a pattern on screen. It is for machine inspection in factory, so we can click this button to cancel the machine ready status. And then we can click this button to select language here. There are many kinds of language in the control system. You can select your language here. Then we can set color for each needle. We can click this button and this one and this one and turn to next page. From this option, select the design display color. Or you can say our number one needle is a green color, so we can set number one green, and the number two is pink. We can set number two needle is pink, and the number three is red. We can see number three red, and number four is magenta, and we can set this color number four needle, and number five is orange color, and number five orange color. Number six is green, and we can set number six green, and so on. When you set color for each needle, you may find this option is locked. That means the machine is in ready state. You can click this button to cancel the embroidery job, and then the option can be unlocked. Okay, we had set color for each needle, and we can click the OK to save the color, and click this button to go to home page. This button is for select a pattern in machine memory. If you have a new embroidery pattern, you can copy to USB disk and plug here. There is a USB port here, and click this button. Machine will read the pattern in USB disk. Now we select this pattern. This button is for set color for the pattern. The sparkling part is the one which you need to set. We need to set this part in red color and this part in black color, and click OK to save it. And this button is for select hoop and check pattern position in the hoop. We can click this button to select hoop. For example, we select the gummed hoop and click OK. Can see the machine reel will move to center and the pattern starting stitch will move to center too. There is a cross here. It is the starting stitch of the pattern. Then we can click this button to go to home page. And this button is for machine spindle. The 100-degree is orange position of machine spindle. If machine spindle not at 100 degree, we can click this button and click this button to make spindle go to 100 degree. This is a working needle number. The working needle means the needle which is on the top of needle hole. It shows 8 here, so number 8 needle is on the top of the needle hole. And we can change needle manually by this button. For example, I want to change number 6 needle. Click this button and the needle change to number 6 needle. 6 needle is on the top of the needle hole. Then click this button to go to home page, and this is the embroidery speed. We can click this button to adjust the embroidery speed. Usually flat embroidery speed is 800 to 1000 RPM, and the caps embroidery speed should be less than 800 RPM. But if you embroider very thick and hard materials, for example laser, the speed should be 500 RPM or more lower. This button is for change color automatically or manually. This button is a full automatic. Machine will change needle automatically according the color you set. And this is a semi-automatic. You need to click the start button after one color finish. And this is a change color manually. Machine will not change color, and you need to change color here after one color finish. So usually we put change color full automatically here. And this button is for cutting thread. You can see machine will cut thread after click this button. And this button is for go back to stop point. That means when you do embroidery work, the machine stop and you click the direction buttons accidentally. Then you can click this button to make the hoop go to the stop point to continue the embroidery work. And this button, the first one is go to orange position of the machine. And the third one is save the pattern position in the hoop. And the second one is make the pattern go to the saved position in the hoop. And this button is for skip or turn back several stitches. For example, when the machine thread break or bobbin thread used up, we replace the bobbin and we need to turn back 13 or 14 stitches here to re-embroider the lost stitches. Okay, then go to home page. And this button is for Wi-Fi connection. It's used for transfer pattern from computer to embroidery machine by Wi-Fi. And this button is for LED lights. It's for networking. And this button is circulate embroidery. If we turn it on, machine will repeat to embroider one pattern without stopping. So usually we turn it off like this. Okay, that's all. If you have any question about machine operation, welcome to contact our engineer team. In next video, we will show you how to do a t-shirt embroidery. See you next time. Bye bye.